Hi everyone, in this video I'm quickly gonna show you how to turn off restricted mode on TikTok. If you also want to learn how, then make sure you watch this video until the end and let's get started. If you turn on the restricted mode, you'll be able to see the restricted mode option on the top of your screen, like as it says on mine. Now to turn this option off, you can tap on your profile on the bottom right, tap on the hamburger menu on the top right, and tap on settings and privacy. Now you'll be able to see all the settings that you can manage for your account. If you scroll down under content and display, you'll need to tap on content preferences. As you can see, restricted mode is turned on. If you tap on that, you'll have an option to turn off. It says limit video that may be inappropriate for some people. So if you want to turn off the setting, you can easily tap on turn off. Now you'll need to enter in the passcode, so this passcode you will have set turning on this option of restricted mode, and tap on next. And as easy as that, you have now successfully turned off restricted mode on TikTok. That's going to be all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.